Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you one of the most iconic pairs of jeans ever made. The vintage Levi 501 red line made in USA from the 1980s. If you love vintage denim, you probably heard collectors talking about red line jeans. But what makes them so special? Why do people pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for some pair? Let's find out together. The Levi 501 is one of the oldest jeans still produced today. Its history goes back to the late 1800s, when Levi Strauss created durable work pants for miners and workers in the American West. Over the decades, the 501 became much more than workwear. It became a symbol of American culture. During the 1970s and early 1980s, Levi still produced many pairs using salvage denim, recognized by the famous red line running along the inside seam. These red line jeans are now considered some of the finest vintage Levi ever made. Let's take a closer look at this pair. The first thing you notice is the beautiful indigo color. Unlike modern jeans, vintage denim develops natural fades over decades of wear. Every crease, every whisker, and every fade tells the owner's story. The latter part has aged beautifully. The iconic letter is still a touch. Even after decades, the craftsmanship remains impressive. This is one reason collectors love vintage Levi. Now let's talk about the famous red line. When you cut the jeans, you notice a red stripe running along the edge. This is called salvage denim. Salvage denim is woven on old shuttle looms. These machines produce a tighter wave with a clean finished edge. Production is much slower than modern denim, but the quality is exceptional. Many denim enthusiasts believe vintage Levi line offers a unique texture and character that modern jeans simply cannot replicate. This is why redline jeans remain highly collectible today. So why are these jeans so valuable? First, they were made in the USA during an era when Levi manufacturing quality was at its peak. Second, redline production eventually ended as Levi switched to faster manufacturing methods. That means no new authentic vintage redline jeans are being made. Third, every vintage pair is unique. Unlike factory distressing, these fades were created naturally over years of real wear. Collectors appreciate authenticity, history, and craftsmanship. Owning a pair is like owning a small piece of denim history. Overall, the vintage Levi 501 red line from the 1980s remains one of the greatest jeans ever produced. Its timeless design, legendary salvage denim, made in USA craftsmanship, and beautiful aging continue to inspire denim lovers around the world. If you're lucky enough to find one in good condition, it's definitely worth adding to your collection. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Will you wear vintage redline jeans or would you keep them as a collector's item? See you in the next video.